Hi friends, hello from me and hello from Multi Android Zone. Welcome to the super exciting tutorial how to integrate payment gateway to Android applications. For more existing advanced tutorials on Android apps, subscribe to Multi Android Zone. Now, first we have to know what is payment gateway. Payment gateway is an e-commerce application service provider that authorizes credit card payments for e-business, online retailers, and bricks and clicks. And it can be used for bill payment and money transfer also. It facilitates the transfer between the payment portal and the front-end processor or acquiring bank. Importance of payment gateway. It provides security during transaction of your account. You can pay easily without waste of time, and payment gateway provides e-business, online payment, bill payments, etc. Now let's have a look how payment gateway actually works. First, customer place the order through the merchant website. Then merchant send a copy of each certificate to the dealing with a valid store. Then customer sends order and payment information to merchant along with customer certificate. Then merchant sends the payment information to payments gateway to know the customer have sufficient balance or not. And then payment gateway verify the details of the customer. After that, merchant confirms the order to the customer, and then merchant ships the good or product to the customer, and finally the merchant requests to payment gateway for payment. Let us see an example of payment gateway like PayPal. How to integrate PayPal in Android apps. First, go to developers.paypal.com and create a sandbox account if you don't have it previously, and then download the PayPal library to your project and add it to your libs folder of your project. Then build path, and then from my apps, then create Android applications. Then you will get automatically client ID and a secret key. This client ID you have to use in your applications. Now, points to remember. You can log into PayPal credentials as long as you have a PayPal account or in your country. However, accepting payment with live REST API is restricted in some countries. If you are an Indian people, you cannot use the PayPal credit card. For details, see the documentation tab of developers.paypal.com. Let's see how to integrate PayPal to Android application development. File, new, Android project. Suppose project name is payment demo. Select API level Android 4.0, API level 14. The next package name is com.tutorial.payment. Suppose activity name is main activity. Now create a new folder inside res, new folder, menu, and inside menu create new file main.xml. Create a new folder inside this project, new folder name is libs. Inside the libs folder we have to insert this library Android support v4.jar file and PayPal Android sdk.jar file. Then paste it, right click, build path, then add to build path. Now I'm gonna browse to main.xml of layout. Change linear layout, relative layout. take a button inside it, delete it. Layout height with wrap content, Android layout central horizontal, Android layout center horizontal is true. Android layout center vertical is true. Android text is pay $2.50. Now change the field parent to match parent of the layout. Now I'm going to browse to values string.xml. Now I'm going to browse to menu. Inside menu, write Android ID @+ID menu settings, Android title @string, Android order in category 100, Android show as action never. Now I'm gonna browse to values, create a new XML file, keep the name is styles.xml. Now inside the style.xml, within resource tag, write style name equals to base theme, parent equals to Android dot theme dot light, Android theme dot light, style name equals to app theme, parent is equals to application base theme. Now create a new XML file, diamonds.xml. Inside diamonds.xml, inside resource folder, take dimension name equals to activity horizontal margin is 16 dp and activity vertical margin is also 60 dp. XML NS tool padding bottom is activity vertical margin, Android padding left, activity horizontal margin, Android padding right, activity horizontal margin, Android padding top, activity vertical margin. Save it. New folder, values, SW 600 dp.